All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is uh earnings Mondays, earning option Mondays. Today we're gonna be looking at ticker symbol VSHA, ADPT, Peloton, and Snap. Those are the four stocks we're looking at today. Earnings are next week. Let's get it. So we're gonna start with ticker symbol PTON. Alexa, tell me about ticker symbol PTON.
I didn't find any events for PTON on Ticketmaster, but I found some interesting information. PTON could refer to Peloton Interactive Incorporated, a company listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange with the ticker symbol PTN. Their stock is currently trading at $5.80. Would you like me to watch for any events related to Peloton Interactive?
Just tell me something about Peloton Interactive.
Peloton Interactive makes connected fitness equipment like bikes and treadmills with built-in screens for live and on-demand classes. Their stock is currently trading at $5.80.
All right, as we can see, we had our first elephant bar. Our first elephant.
Was that meant for me?
No, Alexa. All right, let's look at the other. Let's look at the ticker symbols. Let's look at ticker symbol VSH. All right, Alexa, tell me about ticker symbol VSH. Alexa, tell me about ticker symbol VSH.
VSH is the ticker symbol for Vishay Intertechnology, a technology company listed on the NYSE. Their stock is currently trading at $18.45.
All right, so as y'all see, we took a dip down. So.
Yes, Vishay Intertechnology stock has dipped. It opened at $19 and is now trading at $18.45, down about 3% for the day.
Thank you, Alexa.
You just made my day. Happy to help with your stock research.
Thank you. All right, so with that being said, we see our downward symbol, our bearish symbol. So right now we don't have any buying opportunities or selling opportunities, I don't think. Maybe this could be a buy opportunity. We will find out. Let's take a see. Let's take a look. We have an elephant bar. So let's see what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. I think a month from now we're gonna be ready to paper trade. What y'all think? Yeah, a month from now we're gonna be able to paper trade. But as of today, we just looking to see our familiarization. All right, y'all. We on a 2-minute time frame. Let's matter of fact, what we gonna do? Oh, like it's going up. Take that off. All right, looks like we're going up. So if you were to play this, you see it cleared this bar and cleared this red bar. So stop loss. See what we gonna be up on the upside. All right, let's look at another. Let's look at Snap. And another thing, all these are under $20, y'all. All are under 20, all stocks. So we got a trade, stop sign, stop loss. Stop loss right here. Good trade because we on the 20. If you put your stop loss right here, let me see. You already made your little dime for the day. So 100 of those, who know what you would have got. But let's see. Price above the 20. We got a trigger to long entry for snap. We got a long entry snap for snap. So let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So right now, elephant bars, tail bars, color change, and 20 and the 200 EMAs. Well, simple moving averages. Let me see, our RSI is at 65. RSI is at 65. Our MACD is up there. It's up there. So let's look at ticker symbol ADPT. ADPT. So do we have any buying opportunities? No, we don't have anything as of now. So what we gonna wait this out. Now we could have bought down here. However, we are far from our 20, so why are we gonna do that? So let's just wait to see what we're gonna do close to the 20. We can actually watch this one. As y'all can see, let me show it well. I put it in a different color. All right, so if y'all can see, the buy price is at 18.59, the stop loss is at 17.50, the target price is at 19.64. 19.64. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this. So this is our projection for this earnings. 1989 and 1747. So let's see. Let's see what our sale price is at 1904. Our stop is at 20. Our profit take us 17.99, which is down here. So let's see what we going, which way we gonna go. Now here you got your good buy signal right here. It's close to the 20. We already took out this bar right here. So let's see what we gonna do. Barbecue and Bill do. Look like we're going a little bullish, y'all. We're going a little bullish. Like I told you, I like either or. I'm from Chicago, so I'm like I like the Bears and I like the Bulls. Let's go! My daughter sound funny. All right, let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. All right, what this bar gonna do? Let me see. I think I should be marking the levels, the daily levels. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna put it out there. I'm gonna do it. So for today, it's gonna be our two on the 2 minute chart. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. So this is what we're gonna start at from today. Gotta get the ball zeros. I ain't doing no shit. All right, we gonna keep it there. So that's gonna be our support. It's gonna be our support for today, for right now. So we gonna see what we gonna do. Right now, we going bullish. So where you put your stop loss at? You would have got in right here. Where you put your stop loss at? Alexa, can you tell me what's going on with ticker symbol ADPT?
Adaptive Biotechnology stock, ADPT, is currently trading at $18.40 on the Nasdaq.
So as y'all see, you got a little bullish, y'all. Let's mark our levels.
Actually, I'm just showing you the data. But the analysts are definitely feeling optimistic about ADPT. They've got a strong buy consensus rating with most raising their price targets recently. The company's MRD business hit profitability, and they're seeing solid growth in their immune diagnostics platform.
What were the earnings for last year?
Adaptive Biotechnologies reported total revenue of approximately $277 million for 2025, up 55% from 2024. Their MRD revenue grew 46% to about $212 million for the year.
Thank you, Alexa.
You're so welcome. I hope your trading goes well today.
So as we see, ADPT is looking a little bullish today. Looks like we're gonna ride a 20. All right, let's look at another stock. Let's look at VSH again. Yeah. All right, we'll mark our little levels for today. All right, that's kind of high. All right, so we'll mark our level for today. Bam. All right, that's what we're looking at today. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do. Right now, our buy opportunities don't looks too good. Take this off right quick. Let's see. I'm gonna take that off completely. Alright, we can see it a little bit better. Alright. Alright, so look like we're gonna be going bearish. Well, let's look and see what this candle do right here. Let's see if we're gonna go back to this 1805. Alexa, what trend is VSH going in today?
I'm sorry, I can't look up real-time train status yet. Can I help with something else?
What else can you tell me about VSH?
Vishay Intertechnology, VSH, is currently trading at $18.19 on the NYSE. The company, founded in 1962, manufactures electronic components and has about 23,900 employees.
It look like he's making a. Let's see if he's gonna hit that line, that trend line. Again, where would you place your entry? Where would you have placed your stop loss? And also, where would you be? Where would your exit go next? All right, let's see what this candle here gonna do. So we good on the MACD. RSI at about 50. So let's see what we're gonna do with this price. Price look like it's going above. Cool. Okay, so let's say if we get in this trade right here. So this everything is falling in place. We on the 20. Got candle clear this candle. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's see what was like it was still consolidating. Let's see if we hit 1845 today. If we will hit 1845 today. And so now you will still be in your trade if you hadn't put the stop loss. MACD look like we're doing something on the MACD. So let's see if it bounce off right here. So if it go down, let's see if it bounce off right here. 1827. We could look at another time frame. Let's look at another time frame. All right. So as it looks, it might be going down. Let's see. Looks like we might be going down. I bring it down. Earnings is next week on the 4th. So we go see what we go do to the 4th. Let's look at another ticker symbol. All right, let's look at the ADP. Let's go Peloton. Let me see. Peloton is in red as well. So I think, okay, so we finna bounce off Peloton. Let me see. Oh, okay. We on that trend line. All right, let's see. Okay, let's watch this one. Let's see where our buying opportunities will come in at. We can a good one to sit back and just watch. All right, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? We'll go to the 15. So we got a sell signal. We on the 200. In a 15-minute chart, we on the 200. So let's see if we definitely gonna bounce off this 200 and go down. Let me see something. Okay, boom. Okay, boom. I don't know. Like we at the bottom. So I'm gonna look forward to make a correction. It look like we going down on the RSI. MACD we at 99. No, we at 50. 60, we at 0.60. All right, so we bouncing off our trend line. We're bouncing off the trend line, people. All right, so our MACD just hit red, gave bearish signal. It's already crossed. Oh shit. Oh snap. Like it rising from the dead. All right. We already cleared this bar. How much time? Boom. Okay. Bounced off the trend line. Stop loss. Stop loss. Put your money in. Let's get it to here. If we got in right here, we got our stop loss right here. We still in the trade. We still in the trade, people! Whoop-de-doo! Let's see what we gonna do. What's gonna do? What is it gonna do? That's a long two. Oh, we on the 5-minute chart. Okay, we got a doji. We got a doji. We got a doji. Yeah, doji at the bottom of the 20. As I thought. Short signal. You definitely would have got knocked out that trade. All right, we got a doji forming. We got the doji. We got a doji. You know, it's crazy. You know, about four months ago, if I would have seen a doji, you'd been like, okay, a doji, yeah, a doji. But now it's like I know the significance of a doji. So you know, I'm not. You see, do what you're supposed to do. Oh, we keep bouncing off this channel line. So this looks like our support line right here. And we on the 200. So we bouncing off the 200. And we already got a signal going down. But we just see what we gonna do. Okay, like we cleared this bar right here. We jumping off the 200. You still would have been in the trade. All right. All right, y'all. Let's look at another stock. Snap. Not buying nothing. All right, so Snap. You seen it bounce out to 200. You got your buy signal. You see, boom, 60. You got your nice little 10 cent. All right. Where was your ESEs? Yeah, what was your entry, your stop loss, and your what would your exit point be? All right, so now we still in this trade. We are still in the trade. All right, what we gonna do? What we doing? Okay. Oh, we stopped out. Stopped out. All right. Let's see where we're going now. Let's see your lower highs. Mm. All right, let's see what we gonna do. All right, Snap. You seeing what Snap doing? As you see now, we are trading under the 200, under the 20. We're above the 200, but we under the 20. We in that little that little tight area right there. So we finna see what it's gonna do. We gonna see what it is gonna do. At the RSI is at the 35. MACD looks like it's going above. The line is going above. All right. You got your buy signal. You got your buy signal. What you gonna do? go 20 right here. So what you gonna do? We're rather close to it, so what we gonna do? Now you bought in. You bought in. Where you put your stop loss? I'm putting mine right here just in case it go down just a tad. At least it catch that. So let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see what we rocking with. Let's see what we rocking with. Uh-oh. Hey, there we go. Like take off. Alright. Let's see, we got tricked. We got tricked out of the spot because that little market movers, they goddamn hit us down here, and now we taking back off. So they just took out of the stop loss, took out of the money right here. So we gotta watch out for that. Yeah. After these messages, we'll be right back. Oh, here we go. The day within the chart within the chart. 4 hour day chart. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes. So we got everything. Everything is everything. And then my daughter talking about me. Alexa, can you tell me what would have been a good entry for ticker symbol SNAP today?
Snap is currently trading at $8.21, down 2.26% today. Analysts have an average price target of $9.82, suggesting potential upside.
So what would be a good buy position for Snap?
Based on analyst targets, a potential short position could target around $7, as that's the lowest analyst price target. However, with the current price at $8.21, you'd want to consider the downside potential carefully.
Thank you, Alexa.
You're so welcome. I hope your trading strategies pay off big time.
right. It looks like we broke the we got bearish. We got I mean bullish movement. We got bullish movement. You see, like we broke above this little spot right here. Let's see what we're gonna do. Mm. Mm. Yep, there you go. Mm. Here's the next one. Yeah. These my markers, so if you feel like you want the market somewhere else, that's on you. These my markers. All right. He lost some steam. He lost some steam. Let me see. Up, up. So it look like we hit his resistance point. We look like he hit the resistance point. Let me see what it's gonna do. We already took out the green candle. So let me see what we're gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. All right, all right. Let's see these levels. Levels. Like, subscribe, comment, yeah. I am not a financial advisor. We just looking at the familiarization of the charts. You got your target right here. All that good stuff are in your upper left hand corner. You got your basic chart. Basic chart from what I know. All right. Let's see if we still in the trade or not. We still in the trade. Price above the 20. All right, we look like we finna bust through this level here. All right, so we fighting this level. 7, what is it? 777, 77, 770. Up, up. 772 next. Stop loss. Once it break the 770 mark, we're going in. Let's see, we're going in. Let's see if it's gonna hit this mark. Once we hit this mark, we're gonna go back to another one. We're gonna look at another stock. They say this is when the real trading start right here. Get all that volatility out the way now. All right, so we're gonna put this our target price. Boom. We could go up a little higher, but we ain't gonna get greedy. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. All hit it. Bam. 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 We still on top of the 20, y'all. Let's zoom out. Let's see where the next level's at. All right, boom. All right. So we still at this level right here. Told you should have took your profit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Could we be hitting the 774 mark? Let's see if we gonna hit this mark too. It's showing out today. Mm. 774. All right, let's look at our RSI. Like we hit the overbought. So we gotta see what we're gonna do. Might take a little dip. Might not. MACD looking greenish. Mm. All right. I'll give it to it, hit the green, to hit the 20. Let's see when we hit 774. Yeah, we still looking at snap. We can always come back to snap. We see our levels, we see our lines, we see our levels. All right, let's take a look. Let's take another look at like Peloton. Well, let's look at ADPT. Like it's up 40%, up 40 cents today. Oh, look, well, we bounced well off this line right here. So we done got out of the bounce for the day. Boom. Let me see. Has it been a good little 70 some cent? Shit, your boy looking like he ready to be a trader. Don't worry about it. We're gonna give it about a month and then we gonna go to the paper trading. Yeah, I think that's about best. Give it about a month. Then we're gonna go to paper trading. Gonna do that for about a month. Then we gonna see what your boy made of. You dig? You dig? All right, we see what Peloton or ADPT. All right, let's see what we went under the line. We went okay, but we still never hit this line. So let's see what we doing here. Let's blow him up a little bit. Let's blow him up a little bit. See what's going on up in here. Look like we consolidating. like we about to get the price about to get trapped between the 20 and the 200. So you know what that means. Something finna happen. Let's look. Let's look at the 15-minute chart and see what it's looking like. It don't look like nothing. We got a doji. So we don't got no green. No, we ain't got no blue. Okay, we ain't got no blue. Let's look at the 30. Look at the day chart. All right, so as it looks like we might go down some more. Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me say something. All right, we just gonna put that up there right quick and take a look. Oh, that's what it say for the day. No, yes. All right. Let me see. Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me just take this out. Snap. Oh, we done bust through. We done bust through the level. There we go. We done bust through the level. We done bust through the levels, y'all. And it bounced off the 200. Yeah, okay. Okay, y'all see it. Y'all see it today. Y'all can't deny it. Oh, we elephant bars 220. Goddamn, look at the levels. We didn't hit every level we done marked off. Oh yeah. Alexa told y'all the target price was $9. We rolling today, ain't we, Alexa? I would took some profit. I would not to be greedy, but yeah, I definitely would took some profit, especially when we bust through here. I hit my trail like boom, boom, boom trail, 3%. After these messages, we'll be right back. Whew. All right, like, subscribe, comment. I'm back for right now. But yeah, so y'all seen what we did today. Let me see. We started at 8:30 today, so we definitely gonna cut it short today. We hit some target prices. Boom. We knocked out the park. If we would, yeah, we knocked out the park today. We gonna take this back off. Yeah, so we didn't knock some plays at the park today, y'all. We out on the scene. Your elephant bars. We didn't seen plenty of those today. We didn't seen trade to near the 20, 220. We didn't seen plenty of those today. So, yeah, this would have been a fairly good trade day. Look at your boy. He look like he know what he's talking about today. Look at here. It's just the only tricky one today. We gonna come back. We gonna come back to this one. Matter of fact, this the only one negative 23. So let's take a look see at this one right now. Boom. We're gonna go to the 2-minute chart. Or what we could do, we could go to another. Let's go to another. No, we ain't gonna go to another chart. We gonna stay in the basics. We gonna stay in the basics. Once I get some subscribers, we gonna go to different charts. How about that? Until then, yeah, we gonna stay at this one. If y'all want to know where I get my ticker symbols from, I will show you. Let me see. Go to my Finviz. All right, here we go. Finviz, number one scanner where I get my scanners. All right, let's look at scanner number one. Market mover option earning traps. So we see Peloton, we see Snap, we see ADPT. What else do we see? What else do we see? ADPT, VSH. All right, so this is where I got my here. You could look at my scan. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? We're gonna add this optionable and shortable. That's for you option players. All right, boom. So that puts you in 23, still about the same. So you could make some moves on this one. You can make some moves with everything under $20, y'all, because we ain't rich. So we doing everything under $20. Yo. Market cap, price, option control for the option players, volume, options next week. Bam. So there you go. Uh-oh. Like we finna hit that let's extend this left. Extend this right. Bam. You extended that boy. All right. I'm gonna hit that line. Do we bounce off the line once we hit, or do we go below? Do we go down some more? All right. Here we go. You got your elephant bar. Surprised we didn't get a ooh, okay. Gotta bounce off the line. Gotta bounce off the support. Let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. Let's see if we gonna get a blue arrow. Third bar. Second and third bar. I called it. Second and third bar. Second and third bar. We gonna get that boy about right here. All right, I just said it. I didn't call it. I could be wrong and I could be right. We gonna only time gonna tell. Only time gonna tell. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Oh, I tell you, I ain't gonna be animated today. It's just my personality, y'all. But again, let's see what we gonna do. I say second bar, second, third bar in, we gonna start creeping above. We ain't bounced off the line. We ain't bounced off our support level. Let's see what we gonna do. You know what's so funny? Yeah, so what I tell y'all, up, up, third bar. Third bar. I called. Let me get that blue arrow. Give me that blue arrow. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? We gonna look at it in another. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. No. Told you I got toys. I got some toys. Yeah. No, we not finna buy nothing. We not finna buy nothing. All 3 minute charts. What this chart right here gonna do? If we gonna clear this candle. All right, y'all. That's quite enough. That's all y'all can see. That's all y'all can see. Let's go back to the other chart. All right, there we go. There we go. We are in the 3 minute time frame. So this one obviously had to be a doji. It's gonna brighten the day up a little bit. All right, y'all. So it looks like we have bounced off this line, this trend line right here. What we gonna do? We gonna break it. What we gonna do? Where did the pay show? Stop. They just stop loss and entries in. What was your exit today? So it look like we breaking that line. All right, so we hit below the trend line. So what we gonna do is, let's see, well, you know what? No, let's see if I remember how to do this. We're gonna lift that up some, and let's see if we can find another. Let me see. Let's see if we're gonna find another point. All right, so it looks like we got our next line. I could be wrong. Like this could be it. 1760, 1796. All right, we're gonna look at that line first. Looking like we on the downtrend, people. Looks like we on the downtrend. Let's see if it do some bouncing. All right, looks like we gonna do some bouncing. All right, y'all. I told y'all we was gonna be gone about 20 minutes ago. Like we might fall some more. Right now, it's like we got a doji. Let's see what our other ones are doing. Snap will look like it retreated. Like it topped out. All right, so it look like this our top. This is our bottom for today. This is our range. So we know what our range is on Snap. Look like we taking a nose dive on here. All right. Look like we still in our trade on this one. This was our bottom. But this was all right. So we like this is our top for the day on here. Well, probably not. All right, so we see our range for today. It's a nice little profit for today. Let's see, Peloton. I could be wrong. However, this is my chart. So I'm going to do it how I see fit. All right, so this is what we're looking at for today on here. Well, let me see. Hit the manual. It's like it's still forming. We'll go back to him. We got eyes on him. All right, I guess we set for today on here, so we gonna put the half for today right here. But again, this is my study, so this is where I want to put it. All right, so we gonna put our ranges for today right here. All right. So I guess tomorrow, well, no, tomorrow is unusual volume Tuesdays. Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna look at our. Let me see. Tomorrow is unusual volume. So we got about 40 contingents that's got unusual volume. But that ain't till tomorrow. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We didn't see what each stock done today. Snap. Like he's gonna hit. Let's see what it's doing. You already seen it hit the top. You hit the bottom. It resistance point. There you go. Let's see if we're going back up. Like it's gonna take a dip for the worst. That's a strong downward trend. So I would look forward to go down with some more. Uh, just for shits and giggles, stop loss into downside, stop loss. Let's see what level it's gonna go to. Let's see what levels is going to. Let's see what we gonna do for this one. Let's see, do we have another bound opportunity? Uh oh. Is it going back up? Is it going back up? Is it going back up? We got a color change. We got a cut. Ooh, hit you with you could hit you with that reversal. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got a nice little reversal going on. Let's see if we hit our marks. If we hit our daily marks for the day, or are we gonna go down some more? What we gonna do? What this candle gonna do? You don't know if you want to go bullish or bearish. He better make his mind up. Interesting. We gonna see. Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? I say it's gonna go bearish. I say it's gonna go bearish. What do you say? Let me see what the Fibonacci joint is. Let me see if I put the Fibonacci. Oh, no. No, I can't use that one. Can't use that one either. Hold on. I just want to see what the Fibonacci high. If you know about the Fibonacci, let me see if these levels, let me see. I call Cuz back. I really take that off. It's going short. I called it. Could be a false breakout. All right, what we doing? What we doing? What we doing? I guess we can extend this line to the right. All right, we got the doji. We got the sign going back up. All right, this the last one for the day. We gonna watch this one for the day, and that's it. I already called it going down, although we see a doji going up and broke the plane and then broke the support. Alexa, tell me what's going on with Snap.
Snap recently partnered with Perplexity for a $400 million AI integration into Snapchat. They're also restructuring into smaller teams to boost competition.
Is the ticker symbol going bearish or bullish today?
"9mm ammo is currently around 23 cents per round, while 223/56 ammo is about 41 cents to 53 cents per round. Prices vary by brand and quantity.
Thank you, but I was asking about Snap.
Snap is integrating Perplexity's AI search into Snapchat's chat interface starting early 2026. They're also restructuring into smaller teams to boost innovation and efficiency.
Thank you, Alexa. All right, so we're looking like Snap is bouncing.
You just made my day. Happy to help with the Snap info.
So it looks like Snap is bouncing off the 20, off the 200. Let's see what it's gonna do. Is it gonna take off again? Okay, we're on the 200. We're on the 200 peoples. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look like he getting that push. Look like we bouncing off that 200. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Now, if you made this play here, this could be a good entry right here. All right, y'all. Was this a good buy opportunity or not? What levels would it hit? I said it's gonna go to about right here. 677.66 is what I'm calling, and then it's gonna reverse. Let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. Got a long entry on Snap. If it pass here, it's definitely gonna go here. And then going back down. Let's see what we gonna do. Six, 766 is the target price. Let me see. It's at $8 is the target price. There we go. Here we go. We hit the 766 mark. Back down like I called it. Like I called it. Like your boy called it. All right, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment. I feel like I had a good day of your ESC, your stop, your entry, your stop loss, and your exit points. I feel like I had a good day, a productive day. Let's look at some, let's look at Peloton. That one. All right, so Friday when we look at it, we'll know where we were. Look BSH on the reversal. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Today was a good, productive day. Yeah, rocking with your boy. I appreciate it, and I'm out.